How long does it typically take for someone to start seeing results?
So you're gonna start seeing results around month 3.
Okay.
So yeah, so it's really, really effective, and really and truly it's working throughout that whole time, but really when you see something in the mirror, it's usually around month 3.
Yeah.
So all the studies out there show that you're gonna get your maximum results from laser anywhere between 6 months and 12 months.
Okay.
It's different for people, which is pretty cool. So what we do is we regulate you throughout the whole process. So you kind of start.
What does that mean, we regulate you?
Yeah. So what you do is you'll meet, of course, initially for your complimentary consultation.
Okay.
And so we'll take a look at your hair, and we'll do a microscopic analysis of the quality of your hair and the follicles and that kind of thing. And then we'll get you started on your program. And then what happens is we'll touch base right in the middle of your program, and then of course right at the end. And throughout that, I'll meet up with you and kind of make sure everything is going well, and encouraging you to stay the course throughout that midway follow-up. And then your final assessment, we'll take new microscopic photos and then go ahead and compare those to the ones before, so you can really see, you know, it working.
So that's what you mean by regulate. You're going to kind of monitor the process and show us how things are changing and progressing.
Right, absolutely.
That's really cool. I love that you guys get those close-up photos, because I feel like it could be easy, like when someone's losing weight, if you don't have pictures to track it, you're like, I'm not losing any weight, but then you can really see what's going on.
Right.
So that's really rad.
Yeah, I think it's awesome because it encourages you, you know, because it is a commitment for you, but it's awesome, and you definitely see those results as long as you stay the course. So I'm kind of like your coach. I kind of coach you through the whole thing, and encourage you to keep using the product line, and then, you know, come into your laser treatments regularly.